Welcome, it's me Özlem, the export and marketing manager of Cadence. In this video, we are going to carry on explaining the effect paints range of Cadence. The 16th product of this range is the finger waxes. In Cadence range, we have two finger waxes. The first one is the regular finger wax, which was the basic product of the Cadence range. The other product is Dora finger wax. This finger wax has a metallic look. And Dora finger wax has the Dora's extremely bright final look. If you look at them together, you can see the difference. In the Dora finger wax, you can see two shades in one color. When you change the angle, you can see extremely dazzling sparkles. While using the finger waxes, you can add easily metallical accents to your projects, as you can see in this sample. You can apply the finger wax by your hands, by brush, or by cut and use sponge. As the other products of Cadence, there is aluminum folio under the cover, which makes the product long shelf life. Cadence has all the gilding colors of the finger wax. In addition, Cadence has the vivid colors like this one. These vivid color finger waxes show themselves beautifully on the black surfaces, and it is very practical. On that example, you can see that how the blue finger wax shows itself on the black surface. The finger waxes stick to the surface and they don't tarnish. We are not recommending tinning or varnish, and it is also fade resistant. When the finger wax is dry, you can polish it with a piece of cloth and it becomes brighter. It has one type of packaging, which is 20 ml. The finger wax has 14 colors, and in these 14 color options we have all the gilding color tones and also the vivid colors, which show themselves beautifully on the black surfaces. Dora Wax color are the same color of the Dora metallic colors, and they are extremely bright and they have dazzling sparkles inside, as you can see in these samples. The finger wax of Cadence has the stickers like this, and you can see all the translations at the back side of the first sticker. Now let's pay attention to the application.